The Bayraktar Kalkan is a mini tactical unmanned aerial vehicle designed for reconnaissance and intelligence missions. It features vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capability, allowing it to operate without a runway. After lifting off using electric motors, the aircraft switches to a fuel-powered engine for efficient cruise flight. This smart UAV can perform fully autonomous takeoff, cruise, and landing, along with semi-autonomous flight modes. It is equipped with an advanced flight control system that enables automatic route tracking, target tracking, circling over a specific area, and safe return-to-home functions for landing. It offers 3 flexible options: vertical landing, fuselage landing, or parachute landing. Compact, versatile, and mission-ready. The Bayraktar Kalkan is built to deliver reliable performance in modern tactical operations. The Blue Whale is an advanced autonomous submarine built for a wide range of underwater missions. It is designed to handle surveillance, reconnaissance, environmental monitoring, and underwater mapping without putting personnel at risk. Thanks to its cutting-edge autonomous navigation system, Blue Whale can operate independently for long periods, making it ideal for extended missions. It is equipped with advanced sonar and imaging technologies that deliver high-resolution data for accurate target detection and intelligence. Gathering its stealthy design minimizes both acoustic and visual signatures, allowing it to perform covert operations effectively. With modular payload options, missions can be customized based on specific needs. The system also supports real-time data transmission to command centers, improving coordination and decision-making in complex marine environments for both military and civilian use. The Roadrunner-M is an advanced aerial interceptor designed to counter hostile aircraft and other airborne threats. Developed by Anduril Industries, it offers a smarter alternative to expensive traditional missiles, which are often destroyed even if an attack is aborted. Powered by twin-jet engines, the Roadrunner-M delivers high speed and rapid response. It is launched from a protective locker that doubles as its deployment system, making it quick to store, transport, and fire when needed. Built with a modular design, the drone allows payloads to be swapped depending on mission requirements. This flexibility makes it suitable for a range of defensive operations, providing a reusable and more cost-effective solution for modern air defense challenges. The exoskeleton is a modern CBRN suit designed to provide strong protection without slowing the wearer down. Developed by Avon Protection, it is built to integrate smoothly with essential protective gear such as respirators, gloves, and boots. Lightweight and low burden, the suit allows users to move freely while staying protected in hazardous environments. It offers improved defense against chemical warfare agents and enables safe operation in CBRN conditions for up to 24 hours. Made with a cotton poly outer layer and an activated carbon inner layer, the exoskeleton feels like a second skin, enhancing comfort, flexibility, and performance during critical missions. The Hisar-A is a low-altitude air defense missile system. Developed by Roketsan under the coordination of Turkey's defense industry presidency, with Aselsan as the main contractor. Designed to protect military units and critical facilities from aerial threats. It successfully passed its final acceptance tests before entering active service. During testing, the upgraded Hisar-A Plus missile accurately destroyed a high-speed target from long range, proving its effectiveness. Originally developed for low and medium-altitude air defense, the Hisar systems were later enhanced into the Plus versions to meet increasing demands for greater range and higher interception altitude. With improved performance and advanced guidance capabilities, the Hisar-A strengthens Turkey's layered air defense network and ensures stronger protection against modern airborne threats. The Raddus Inflatable LPU is a high-performance life preserver designed specifically for maritime special operations. Built to perform in the toughest conditions, it offers excellent protection while remaining lightweight and comfortable to wear. Developed after 5 years of intensive research and collaboration by Mustang Survival, this inflatable personal flotation device is the smallest self-righting PFD available for maritime special forces. Its rugged outer shell and premium materials provide outstanding buoyancy, insulation, and durability in all weather conditions. The LPU also features multiple adjustable straps for a secure, customized fit, ensuring it stays in place during demanding missions. Reliable, compact, and mission-ready, it's built to keep operators safe in hazardous marine environments. The Rogue One Lethal is a powerful, unmanned ground vehicle built for modern tactical missions. Designed for high-risk combat situations, it combines advanced technology with integrated weapon systems to support military operations while keeping personnel out of direct danger. This UGV can operate autonomously or be remotely controlled, giving operators flexibility in the field. With strong all-terrain mobility, it can move through urban combat zones, rough landscapes, and other challenging environments with ease. Equipped with high-definition cameras and thermal sensors, the Rogue One Lethal delivers real-time intelligence and improved situational awareness. Its versatility makes it valuable for offensive missions, reconnaissance tasks, and perimeter defense, serving as a force multiplier in complex and dangerous operational scenarios. Shield AI has demonstrated a powerful new capability using its VBAT drone. The company successfully completed an autonomous teaming test, where 3 VBAT drones worked together without direct human control. This milestone was achieved under a strategic funding program in collaboration with the Air Force Research Laboratory Sensors Directorate. Powered by Shield AI's HiveMind AI pilot system, the 3 drones were launched to monitor and track simulated wildfires. Working as a coordinated team, they detected, identified, located, and reported targets in a complex scenario. The demonstration highlighted the system's ability to operate in challenging environments, including areas where GPS and communications may be unavailable. This breakthrough puts Shield AI on track to deploy advanced VBAT teaming capabilities for both military and Duluth missions in the near future.